Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Grace. We are going to do some math together. So we need this page in front of us, which is lesson 1.6. It says different names for numbers up here at the top. How can you show the value of a number in different ways? So we're going to be looking at numbers and seeing the different ways that we can make tens and ones to show the same value. So our first problem we're going to do up here is written down here if you want to follow along. It says, Syed has 26 rocks. What are some different ways to show 26 with blocks? So we need to show 3 different ways. Our box here, tens, ones, and tens and ones. So I'm going to split my paper into 3 parts. Each one is going to be the number 26, but we're going to arrange our tens and ones differently. So the first way we know is drawing a quick picture of 2 tens. There's a 2 in the tens place and 6 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, when we draw quick pictures using base 10 blocks, we use sticks, the straight lines for tens, and quick little circles for our ones. Now down here we can write that in. That's 2 tens and 6 ones, and that equals 26. 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Now I'm going to take one of my tens and I'm going to break it apart. So I'll take this guy and I'm going to break it apart into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I still have this 10 here that I need to put, and I still can't forget these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well, let's count this number. 10, count with me. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So we still are showing the number 26. We're just showing it in a different way. Now we have 110 here. 110. And let's count our ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that one we broke up. And then the other 6, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 110 and 16 ones. Still makes the number 26. Now, what's another way I could show 26? I have to get rid of this 10 and kind of break it apart over here into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I can't forget this group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the 6 that we started with. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remember, you can pause throughout the video so that you can draw your picture as well. Now we broke that 10 into 10 ones. We had that other 10 broken into 10 ones, and we have the 6 left. Now we have all ones. You may already know how many ones are here without counting. We can count just to double check. Use red. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 0 tens and 26 ones. So all of these ways show the number 26. They just show it in a different way. It's still the same value. It's still a total of 26. One is 2 tens and 6 ones, 1 10 and 16 ones, and 0 tens and 26 ones. Okay, so we're up at the top, the model and draw, which on your page is much more purpley than mine, but right here, the purple box, model and draw. These are some different ways to show 32. So we're going to be showing the number 32 in different ways with a different mix of tens and ones. So this first way here is the most traditional way that we think of. 3 tens and 2 ones. That is 30. The value of that 3 is 30. 10, 20, 30. The value of the 2 ones is 2. Remember, we learned about the value of a digit last week. right, now in this next one, right here, I'm looking at this one. We have to count. There's 1, 2 tens, and how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 ones. So think of the value of 2 tens, 10, 20, plus the value of all those ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 ones. So 20 plus 12. Now for the last one up here, still going to be the number 32, just shown in a different way. We have 1 10 here, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 ones. Now the value of that 110 is 10, and the value of 22 ones is 22. Okay, we are going to do number 1 together. The number is 28. Remember, you can stop at any time and pause the video. The number is 28, so I'm going to look at the picture. 2 tens, 1, 2, 2 tens. Now I'm going to count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. The value of the 2, they're tens, so they count by 10. 10, 20. 2 tens is 20, and 8 ones is 8. Now let's look at the next one. I see 1 10 here. 1 10. Now I have to count the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. The value of that 110 is 10, and the 18 ones stay the same. The ones, the value is the same. Ooh, our last one. I see 0 tens. Now, if our number is 28, I don't even have to count those. I know that there's going to be 28 ones there. You can give it a count if you'd like, but I know there's 28 ones there. So it's 0 tens plus 28. All right, we're looking at number 2. I want you to go ahead and count your tens and ones for this one, this first section here. For this number, 35. The number is 35, so go ahead and count them. All right, when you counted 1, 2 tens, and 3. They weren't all next to each other, but there's still 3 tens there. And then ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the most traditional way to draw a quick picture of the number 35. Now we're talking tens. The value of our 3 is 10, 20, 30. 3 tens, 10, 20, 30, and the 5 stays the same. Now we're over here. Count your tens. You got it. There are 2 tens. Now once you count the ones, tell me how many there are. 15. 15 ones. The value of the tens, there's 2 tens. It's not worth 2. How much is it worth? Go ahead and tell me. It's worth 20. 20 plus the 15 ones. And our last one is all ones. So 0 tens and all ones. Do you remember what that should be? We don't even have to count it. It's 35 ones. So 0 plus 35. All right, your next page is like the practice and homework page. This is where you're going to practice what we just did together. So you're showing the number in different ways. Well, the block's already there. They show the number in different ways. It says describe the blocks in 2 ways. I'm just reading the directions. So our first number is 24. So we count the tens, 2 tens, and count the ones. So remember, the value of the tens, 2 tens, is 10, 20, plus 4. You're going to count the tens and the ones here and the tens and the ones here. And same for number 2, the number is 36. Number 3. So pause that video before I go on. Pause it and do those problems. Now we're on number 3. Tony has these blocks. Circle the blocks that she could use to show 34. We're looking for 34. So I see 10, 20, 30, 40, and then a bunch of ones. So you just need to circle what would be 34. So maybe you circle a 10, and another 10 is 20. So keep going until you get to 34. Number 4, draw quick pictures to show the number 38 in 3 different ways. So the number 38. So it's kind of like that first page we did together. We're showing 38 in 3 different ways. So think of the number of 10s and 1s. Here, the traditional way, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you think of 2 other ways that you can show 38. And on the back, what number is shown with these blocks? Write the number. So it has 2 10s and 13 ones. So that's not 23. So you could count them 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. You could count up. Or maybe you could use some mental math and know that a group of 10 is another 10. Go ahead and count and find your answer. Same with number 2. What is the number shown? What number is shown with the blocks? Write the number. So it's 1, 10, and 16 ones. Number 3, what number is shown with the blocks? Write the number. 1, 10, and 17 ones. So 10, 11, 12, 13. You can count them up. Number 4, it says, what is the value of the underlined digit? So we're looking at these guys. Kind of hard to read. We did this last week. So we're looking just here in the ones place. So the value of the ones. Number 5 says, which is another way to write 9 10s and 3 ones? So if I draw a quick T-chart with 10s and 1s, 9 10s, put that in the tens place, and 3 1s. So what number is that? You just write it on the line. And number 6, describe the number 50 in 10s and 1s. So how many 10s and how many 1s for 50? There's a few different ways you could do it. All right, guys, happy mathing, which is not a real word, but I don't know, I always seem to say that. Have a great time with your math and do your best. And remember, you can pause the video and go back and rewatch the video if you need to. I'll see you guys later. Bye.